Who you are, where you come from, or what your background is, the world of AI is an open playing field for everyone. This isn't a realm exclusive to the tech-savvy or the computer wizards. AI, or artificial intelligence, is a burgeoning field with immense potential, and it's creating opportunities for people from all walks of life to earn money. Whether you're a seasoned professional, a curious novice, or someone just looking to diversify their income, AI has something for you. It's not about having a degree in computer science or being an expert in coding. It's about harnessing the power of AI, understanding its capabilities, and using it to create value. This is a world where creativity, innovation, and problem-solving take center stage. It's a world where your ideas can transform into profitable ventures. So let's dive into the fascinating world of AI and discover how it can turn into a goldmine for you. One of the most direct ways to earn money with AI is through its development. When we talk about AI development, we're referring to the process of designing, building, and implementing artificial intelligence systems. This can take many forms, depending on the specific area of AI you're interested in. Let's start with software development. If you have a knack for coding, you can use your skills to create AI solutions. This can range from developing simple AI chatbots to more complex systems like self-driving car software. Businesses across all sectors are always on the lookout for software developers with AI expertise, and the demand is only growing. Now let's move on to machine learning. This is a subset of AI that focuses on developing algorithms that allow computers to learn from and make decisions or predictions based on data. If you have the skills to develop machine learning models, you have the potential to earn a significant income. Data science is another lucrative area in AI development. Data scientists use algorithms, machine learning, and other methods to extract insights from structured and unstructured data. They play a critical role in AI development as they prepare the data that AI systems use to learn and make decisions. Whether you're a seasoned programmer or a beginner just starting out, there's a place for you in the world of AI development. You can start by learning the basics and gradually expand your knowledge and skills. Remember, every great AI system started with a single line of code. Scene script. Not a coder? No problem. AI consulting is another lucrative avenue. Whether you're a seasoned veteran in the tech sphere or a newcomer with a keen interest in AI, your knowledge and understanding can pave the way for a career in AI consulting. It's all about leveraging what you know to help businesses navigate the complex and exciting world of artificial intelligence. Think of yourself as a guide. You're there to help organizations understand how AI can revolutionize their operations, streamline processes, and drive business growth. From strategic planning to implementation guidance, your role is to provide expert advice that demystifies AI and makes it accessible to your clients. But what if you're wondering, what's in it for me? Well, the rewards can be substantial. As an AI consultant, you can command a premium for your services. And as AI continues to disrupt industries far and wide, the demand for your expertise is only set to grow. But it's not just about the money. It's also about being at the forefront of technological advancement, helping shape the future of business, and making a real difference in the world. It's about turning your passion for AI into a thriving career. So whether you're advising on AI integration, helping to optimize existing systems, or crafting a company-wide AI strategy, remember this. In the world of AI, your expertise can be your currency. Let your creativity shine in the AI realm through content creation. Now, you may be wondering, how can I make money from this? Well, the answer is simple. The world is hungry for knowledge and understanding about artificial intelligence, and if you can provide that in a creative and engaging way, you're in business. Content related to AI comes in many forms. You could write articles, for instance. Share your insights, explanations, and predictions about AI. You could write for popular tech blogs or even start your own. And remember, with each piece of content, you're not just sharing information, you're building a personal brand. Next, consider creating videos. YouTube is a goldmine for educational content, and the AI field is no exception. Create explainer videos, tutorials, or even animated shorts that make complex AI concepts digestible and engaging. And the beauty of it? You can monetize these videos directly through ads or indirectly through sponsorships and partnerships. And then there's podcasting. Imagine hosting conversations with AI experts, discussing the latest trends, or even exploring the ethical implications of AI. Podcasting is a rapidly growing medium that can be monetized through advertising, sponsorships, or even crowdfunding. So whether you're a writer, a videographer, or a podcaster, there's a space for you in the AI content creation field. The key is to provide valuable, engaging content that educates and entertains your audience. In the digital age, content is king, and AI is no exception. Share your knowledge and earn money through AI training. Let's delve into our fourth method of profiting from AI, which is all about sharing what you know. In this digital age, knowledge truly is power, and there's no better way to demonstrate that than through AI training. If you've got a knack for the intricacies of artificial intelligence, there's a vast audience out there eager to learn from you. You see, the demand for AI skills is skyrocketing, and you could be the one to meet that need. You might be wondering, how exactly do I go about this? Well, there are several avenues you can explore. You could create an online course, for instance. Platforms like Coursera and Udemy are brimming with students hungry for knowledge. Develop a comprehensive, easy-to-follow course and watch as learners flock to it, each registration adding to your earnings. Alternatively, you could conduct workshops or seminars. These interactive sessions can be a hit, especially with businesses looking to upskill their teams. You could also consider one-on-one coaching sessions. These personalized training experiences can be highly rewarding, both intellectually and financially. Remember, your potential earnings here are only limited by the number of people you can reach. So, don't hold back. Share your knowledge, impart your skills, and help others navigate the fascinating world of artificial intelligence. Empower others with AI knowledge, and let it empower your bank account in return. Lastly, let your money work for you by investing in AI. By placing your bets on this high-growth sector, you could see substantial returns. How, you ask? Well, one avenue is through investing in AI startups. These young companies are brimming with innovation and potential. And if you're able to spot the next big thing, you could ride the wave to a significant payoff. Another strategy is to invest in stocks of established tech giants that are heavily involved in AI. Companies like Alphabet, Amazon, and Microsoft are constantly pushing the envelope in AI research and development. But remember, as with any investment, there are risks involved. Not every startup will become the next Tesla, and stock prices can fluctuate. It's essential to do your due diligence and possibly consult with a financial advisor before making any major investment decisions. Investing in AI could be your ticket to financial freedom. So there you have it. 5 ways to earn money with AI. We've traversed the paths of AI development, dipped our toes into the consultancy waters, explored the creative realm of AI content creation, delved into the intricacies of AI training, and navigated the exciting world of AI investments. It's a vast, dynamic landscape with countless opportunities waiting to be seized. The world of AI is full of opportunities. It's up to you to seize them. Start your AI journey today and unlock your earning potential.